I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a BMW X5 battery. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is off and the key is removed. Safety is paramount, so please wear appropriate eye protection and gloves. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 10mm and 13mm socket, a ratchet, and a battery terminal brush for cleaning. First, locate your BMW X5's battery, usually found beneath the trunk floor panel. Carefully remove any covers or trim pieces to access it. Using your 10mm socket, loosen and remove the negative battery terminal first. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. This order is crucial for safety and to prevent electrical shorts. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of its tray. Be mindful of its weight, which can be around 50 pounds. Now, gently lower your new battery into the compartment, ensuring it sits flush and is properly oriented. Secure any hold-down clamps or straps to prevent movement while driving. To connect the new battery, attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both securely. After installation, it's essential to register the new battery with your BMW's engine control unit. This process, typically done with a diagnostic tool, ensures proper charging and extends the battery's lifespan, preventing potential electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.